All right, so this is a video for this problem. So every high school in the city of Euclid sends a team of 3 students. So every high school and each participant in the contest received a different score. So there's no same score. And Andrea's score was the median. Sorry, it was the median among all students, and hers was the highest score on her team. Andrea's teammates Beth and Carla placed 37th and 64th, respectively. So, how many schools are in the city? So, well, for one, we don't know how many schools there are, so we'll label that as X schools. And each school sends a team of 3 students, which means there's 3X students. And we are given that Andrea's score is the median amongst all students, which means that this has to be odd because if if it were an even number of students, then the a median amongst all students would be the average between two of the middle people, and that can't be a score because each participant receives a different score, and only if the two people in the middle receive the same score um would they be able to receive would then would the median be one of the students' scores if it was the average between the two of them. But it's given that none of them have the same score. In other words, that means it has to be odd. So x is an odd number, and x can't be less than 23. So x is an odd number. And so if we have x less than 23, that means x would be 21. And 21, 20, x is 21, then the total number of students would be say that would be 63, and Carla placed 64th, which causes a contradiction. Therefore, x has to be greater than or equal to 23, and um, if there were more than 23, then there were more than 23, then Andrea's place and Andrea's place would be worse than Beth's score because say if it was sorry if it was greater than 23, sorry, if it was greater than 23, then that would mean if it's greater than 23, let's say the greater case, so x is 25, then um then there'd be 75, and um the median would be 37.5, which obviously can't happen. So but we're given that Beth places 37, and that means and she's Beth is gonna place higher than Andrea because Andrea's higher. Uh, and this is like where you're trying to get into like higher places, or lower numbers. So that wouldn't work out. So this case is invalid, and this case is also invalid, which means only 23 works.